Welcome to our newest state park, Lake Eufaula State Park. This is kind of south of Tulsa. Nice big area out there. There's some picnic stands. This is one of the campground I chose. It's semi-modern, which means water and electric, no sewer. There is another campground area which has full hookups if you'd like it. And we had some tent campers over here the other night. Not too bad. They went to bed at a reasonable hour. And not many people here though. But wide open. The lake is right down that way. And there are adequate trails around here, quite a few. So we'll check those out. And the bathrooms right over there. I will check that out too for you. And there's a kids playground area right over this way. Now this side of the lake is just south of the campground, right up there where we're staying. So looks like a little waiting area maybe. I don't know if I would want to. Looks kind of rocky along these edges here, but this lake goes on a long ways, a very long ways. And there's another campground on down south more for RVs with full hookups and tents. And we'll see if I can get up there, but we're trying to find the trail to the nature, and the nature center is just right up there. And it's closed, of course. Amphitheater is right here. We're trying to find the trail where it goes off on west a little bit here. On up here by the nature trail, there's a wildlife shelter. Right now, of course, everything's shut down. Oh, a little bird came out of the bird cage there. There's a little pond over here with some, looks like goldfish. Maybe they're about 3 inches long, kind of long. Let's see if that snake is still here. There was a snake down in here. Yeah, there he is. Let's see if I can zoom in. Not sure if you can make him out there in the down there. Yeah, it's my finger. Anyway, looks like a little garter snake. So yeah, it's a shame the nature center isn't open. They have a, I don't know what all's going to be inside there. Bee crossing. Let's get focused here, boys. There we go. Pretty good sized nature center in there. And then there is a frogatorium over here, which would have been interesting. I love frogs, salamanders, toads on the inside there, but they appear to be closed right now. Of course, that would have been interesting. Hopefully they're keeping them alive. We're trying to find the trail. Let's see if we can come up with it. Okay, found the trail. There's a marker right there. So it's back behind the Discovery Center if you're trying to find it. Not very well marked, but there it is. Well, we're down here this morning at the marina, Lake Eufaula Marina and Cafe. So I wonder if they're open. Looks like they probably are. So we'll find out. Not as big a marina as the last one, Keystone Lake, but still, this is a big lake, big lake. I'm in the full hookup campground area, Dogwood, and some of these are real long places. Right over here is a 65 and 64, but they're right next to each other. One's short and one's real long, so I don't understand that. but you want to keep that in mind. But there's good distance between these around here. Again, a park-like atmosphere, so really wide open and very nice. Looks like there's quite a few spots in here. Nice, nice. Looks like here there's just one bathroom to service the entire campground here. I'm kind of coming around, and there's a maybe a bathroom up there, and looks like a kids area, but really wide open. Boy, kids can get out here and run. Yeah, you definitely want to check your map when booking, because I see there's 4 sites right there, and 2 of them are just really close together. I mean, I don't get it, but why they're so close together.
Families.
So if you want to park here, you want a good buddy next to you. Okay, we've come into the Hummingbird Beach area. There's the restrooms up there. You come on down the hill there a ways. Looks like quite a bit of parking here. And of course there's not a soul here but us. Little picnic area, playground area. Keeping up the grass pretty well here. And the proverbial swimming rules. And then Yurt area over there. So evidently they rent out yurts. Oh, I see an air conditioner on that yurt. Pretty cool. You're gonna need it. Down here at Hummingbird Beach, there's a disc golf, or I call it frisbee golf. And this is hole 10, and looks like it's a dogwood left. Dogleg left. 365 yards, par 3. Can you make it? Holy mackerel. So I don't know if this is number 9 coming in right here, but it's a good walk because it goes way back up in there. So I think this is 18 holes or 18 rings. Not sure if I can keep up with him. Little tiny toad. Yes, ultra small. Itty bitty bitty bitty. Okay, my usual take on this. Oh, there's even a bird's nest up there on the side of the restroom. So we're at the restroom pretty close, right next to us, really, actually. And this is a different door opening than I've seen. Let's see what we got in here. Well, interesting. Hey, they do have a soap dispenser, and it actually even has soap in it. And a paper towel dispenser. Don't see that in a lot of them. Most of them are air blowers. They got a toity there. Yep. Toity. And looks like one shower. Well, okay. Just don't fall in the hole. I wonder if it works. Maybe I'll come over here and try it. They get a vent up there. It's kind of warm in here. It's not all that bad, but I bet it gets pretty toasty in here some days. So, got a feeling this is a little bit older campground. But hey, it's functional. Come on, guys. Come on. We gotta do what we gotta do just to survive. All right, it's finally sunny. Comes the time to say goodbye. We spent 4 nights here, and it was pretty cool. It was okay. A little humid, and this is, I think, May 20th today. So we've had few more people come in for the Memorial Day weekend, so there's more here. Rained really good this morning. Lots of close, boom and lightning, and we weathered it out well. So overall, Eufaula Lake, Eufaula State Park, pretty nice. It's a long way around here. A lot of bicycling that you could do. There's several hikes, but you almost have to drive to some of them because it's quite a ways away, and some are one-way trails, so you have to make the loop, like a 1.65 mile. You'd end up doing a round trip on that, and they're all about the same. I mean, this heavy oak, two types of oak, pine, persimmon, and elm trees. I would say it's worth getting out. We did 2.4 miles hiking, and it's pretty park-like, like I said. I think it'd be good overall for families. For seeking adventure, again, if you don't have a boat, this is probably not going to be your type of park to do a lot. But you can go up to some of the cities around here. We did that, and that was about it. So I think 3 nights at lake parks are going to be our limit, because if you don't have a boat, you're missing out on a lot of the activities. Alrighty, so we'll head on out to Robbers Cave State Park and see what that's like. Y'all take care.